In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voting options in Microsoft Outlook if you need to quickly gather feedback or make group decisions through email. Microsoft Outlook's voting options feature is a simple and effective tool. It allows you to add clickable choices directly into an email so recipients can respond with a single click, making communication faster and more structured. To begin, open the Microsoft Outlook desktop application on your computer. This feature works specifically in the desktop version, so ensure you are not using the web or mobile app. Once Outlook is open, create a new email by selecting the option to compose a fresh message. In the email body, type the content you want your recipients to read. It is best to keep your message clear and direct, especially when requesting quick feedback or simple decisions. After writing your email, move to the Options tab located in the ribbon at the top of the message window. This section contains additional settings that go beyond basic formatting. Inside the Options tab, find the tracking area, then select the option labeled Use Voting Buttons. When you click this option, you will see a set of predefined choices. These built-in options are useful when you need a quick setup. For example, approve or reject can be used for approval workflows. Yes or no works for simple decisions. And yes/no maybe provides a third option for uncertain responses. If none of these presets fit your needs, you can select the custom option. This opens a properties window where you can create your own voting choices. Make sure the box for enabling voting buttons is selected, then type your custom options separated by semicolons. The semicolon is essential because it tells Outlook where one choice ends and the next begins. When creating your options, keep them short, clear, and easy to understand. This helps recipients make quick decisions without confusion. You can include spaces or punctuation within each option, but the semicolon must always be used as the separator. Once your email is complete and your voting options are configured, you can send the message. After sending, Outlook will display a confirmation note indicating that voting buttons have been added to the email. When recipients receive your message, they will see the voting buttons at the top of the email. They can simply click one of the options to submit their response. This feature works best when all recipients are using Outlook or a compatible email client. If a recipient is using an unsupported email service, they may not see the voting buttons, but they can still respond through a regular reply. And that's it. You now know how to use voting options in Microsoft Outlook to collect quick and organized feedback. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.